What's up mga tiik? So welcome back, and today is my first time to be here outside the streets while Cebu City has been declared for a general community quarantine. So I'm gonna share to you my observations on how does it feels like when you go outside the streets and tara! So the first thing that I've noticed is wala na yung mga checkpoints and wala na yung mga roadblocks. Kaysa unang gibarit yung kadahan man to ang kalsada going to Guadalupe area. But right now, people and vehicles can easily pass through the roads. Alright, so our next observation is there's more vehicles on the streets compared to the time nga GCQ pa ang Cebu City, and there's more private vehicles. Walay jeep, but there are series buses serving as public utility vehicles. I've also seen few beep buses or beep jeepneys, and of course I think we can all agree nga there's more bicycle users along the road. So muna na siya kung na-observe while walking along from Banawa going here. Actually na ako atubangan sa Capitol there. So muna siya ang atong na-observe so far. Thirdly, we have observed nga there's more establishments open, mga restaurants, although dili sila mo take of dine-in, take-out lang and deliveries, but it's more compared to the time when we were still on ECQ. Okay, so next we've noticed nga mas daghan og vendors along the streets. Although they may have existed during the ECQ period, but karon na nako sila nakita kay maybe because blocked ang way going to the Guadalupe area when we were still on ECQ. But as I walked along from Banawat going here to Fuente, daghan kong nakita og mga vendors selling fruits, vegetables, and other kind of basic needs, more especially mga food items. Alright, so lastly, we observed nga there are few mga motorcycle riders or drivers nga manawag og pasahero. I know it's still bawal, but for some reason they exist. So far muna ato ang observations for this episode, and yeah. Okay, so generally it feels like the old normal pero holidays. I think I can compare it to kanang Semana Santa or Kalag-Kalag. So yeah, muna atong observation so far, and I hope you all stay home. Gihapon, only go out when you have to, if there's really a need. And if you agree with this observation, give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe.